Hello my dear students. Today in online teaching I am going to start a new chapter in English grammar. Already I have taught present tense and determiners. Now today I am going to teach you about the past tense and its kinds. So let's start chapter 3, past tense. What is past tense in English? What does past tense mean? The past tense of verbs expresses events or actions that already occurred. These actions are finite in that they have both a starting and a stopping point. Now I am going to explain you about the past tense forms. There are 4 forms of the past tense and they include simple past, past progressive, past perfect, past perfect progressive. Simple past tense, for example, I worked. Past progressive, or we can say past continuous tense, I was working. Third is past perfect, I had worked. And fourth is past perfect progressive or past perfect continuous tense. For example, I had been working. So first, you may understand what is the simple past tense. What does simple past tense mean? The simple past tense is used for actions that started and ended at a specific point in time. It is formed by adding ed to the infinitive form of the verb. One example is given here. Simple past tense. For most verbs in English, you simply add ed to the end of a verb to form the past tense. In simple past tense only, I want to explain you about some regular verbs which short vowel sounds require adding an extra consonant to the end of the infinitive before adding ed. For example here, verb like to snag, in past tense it becomes snagged. Verb to drag, in past it becomes dragged. Example, property lenders saw an aggregate decline in volume of 30%, which dragged business lending down. We think uncertainty in the UK property market caused by Brexit drove the decline. One more thing I want to explain you in this. A verb with a silent e at the end just requires a d to create past tense. Like to retire, it will become retired. Or when we talk about irregular verbs that take various forms in the past tense. One example is given here, like sing, sing will become sang, eat, ate, run, ran, etc. Now next we talk about what is the past progressive tense. What does past progressive mean? The past progressive tense expresses events that lasted for a duration of time in the past. To form the past progressive, we are using subject, was with singular, were with plural, then present participle means the first form of the verb, and we are adding ing to those verbs. The past progressive is used to express duration. For example, I was working. Interrupted actions in progress, like I was working when he called. Then actions happening at the same time. For example, I was listening to music while I was working. And polite question. For example, I was wondering if you could help me. The next is, what is the past perfect tense? What does past perfect mean? The past perfect tense most often expresses actions in the past that finished before another action. Also in the past, that was started. To form the past perfect, we have to use the subject and had as a helping verb of past perfect, and past participle of verb means the third form of the verb. The past perfect is used to express first completed action before another begins. For example, after he had answered the question, he was able to complete his assignment. Second conditional statements. If we had asked a question, we would have been able to complete the assignment. Next is reported speech. The teacher asked if I had completed the assignment. Then next is show dissatisfaction with the past. For example, I wish I had completed the assignment. Fourth is, what is the past perfect progressive tense? What does past perfect progressive mean? The past perfect progressive tense most often expresses actions in the past that were in progress before another actions or other actions. To form the past perfect progressive, we have to use subject, had been as a helping verb of past perfect progressive, present participle form of the verb, or you can say first form of the verb, which is having ing, or you can say ing form of the verb. The past perfect progressive is used to express first duration of a past action only up to a certain end point. For example, the car had been running for 10 minutes before we left. Next is showing cause of an action. For example, we could not play outside because it had been raining. Next is conditional statements. For example, if the sun had been shining, we could have played outside. And next, reported speech. Like, she said it had been raining. We are using for and since in the past perfect progressive tense. For is not for definite time. Since is for definite time or hour. So these all about the past tense and its kinds. In next video, I am going to give you the answers for the exercises which are given in your textbook. I hope that you all have understood well. Thank you. Stay safe.